Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to clean dishwasher filter for your dishwasher. Begin by turning off the dishwasher to isolate power before handling internal components safely for safe and reliable operation. Open the dishwasher door to access the interior filter area. Remove the bottom rack from the dishwasher carefully to expose the filter housing at the base of the tub. Remove the filter from its position carefully to release it from the base of the tub for cleaning. Rinse the filter under running water until residue is removed and water runs clear across the surface. Clean the filter using a soft brush, using gentle motion to remove buildup and improve overall equipment performance. Allow the filter to drain completely so excess moisture is removed before reinstalling it. Finally, install the filter back into its original position in its original orientation to ensure proper alignment and reliable operation.